Hello, how are you? So in this video, I will show you how to do a text design in a curve text design or arc text design in Illustrator and Photoshop. So here I'm in Adobe Illustrator. So 5 4 create. So first, want to put a circle. I hold Shift and Alt to make a circle. So maybe a blue. I remove this. Okay. Now select this, hold, see this, type on the path layers, so you will see. You see this? Uh-huh. So you can easily see. Okay. Anchor. Click here in the box, right side. So the size maybe 200. Caps lock. Control A. Impact. So we can adjust. After I adjust here, you will see this. This one will come out. So you need to place here your cursor. Higher. So I need to put your cursor. See that it changes the icon. Then hold this one and drag until here in the other side. Okay. Then align center. That is how you do it. So I will copy this. We will make another in the bottom. Copy. Then paste in the back. So we have two now. So this one in the back will increase. Will drag. I hold Alt Shift. I press I and click this. So it will copy the size, text font size. After that, I will rotate. So here, it's in the middle, but it's flip downside. So what you want to do is type tool, sa type tool, type on path, then options, click preview, flip, baseline. Okay. See? It's flip now. Then you can click here. Control A. Alt. Right key. Alt. Hold Alt and right key to adjust all. So that's how you do this in Illustrator. Now we are going to do this similar in Photoshop. So here in Photoshop, using this for t-shirt size, create. So circle, maybe Control R to show this ruler. You drag here to make a guide. Snap in the middle. Here also, it will snap in the middle. So from this, create circle, snap. Be sure to snap this guides here. Snap. So click here in the middle, hold Shift Alt to make circle. Okay. So for this one, so it's a type tool here. So instead here in Illustrator, Photoshop, we click here. See here, you can change the font name, color. So type. Go. So here, Control A, hold Alt, left key, left button, so to adjust kerning, the gaps. Then okay, after that, the circle, ellipse, this ellipse, Control T. I will change the color of this. So click here, change the color. Control T. So edit, free transform, Control T. The top, that one, check mark. Then click here again. So you can click here, circle. Okay, and use this one. So it will change the pointer, then pull above and center, then back to the text, select Control A, hold Alt, then arrow to adjust the spacing. Then you can delete ellipse. See? So that's how you make it here in Photoshop. That's the difference in the Illustrator. Illustrator, you start here in the side to middle this. Photoshop, we start here in the middle. Okay. Bye-bye.